Hello guys, welcome back to another amazing video. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can set up this staking website which has a feature of withdrawal, deposit, and other feature of a staking website. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can set up this website for yourself, for your clients, how you can use this website, and also how the admin can have full control over this website to manage this particular website and all that in this particular video. So this is just the home page of the website. You can see there's no stress here. The next thing you just have to do is just to log into your account real quick. So you click on deposit here. I think my account, once my account is already logged in, once you can log in with your email address or your phone number and all that here. So after doing that, it will take you straight to this particular dashboard here. So I'm currently logged in now. This is the user dashboard here. You can see my withdrawal, you can see deposit, you can see staking, you can see other options here. You can see the content that we've done for you already. Okay, now we're going to be explaining different options on this website. You can see the withdrawal, deposit, staking, and more. We have the market, we have features. You can actually trade features here. Then perpetual, then you can see your assets and all that. Yeah, so we're going to test out each features one by one. Yeah. Okay, let's check out our withdrawal first. Click on withdrawal. Okay, then we have the method here. Okay, let's click on that. We have USD. On USD, I want to make deposit withdrawal of $10. Then I go click on confirm here. Okay, let's see how that goes. Just give it time to load. You can see you have not have sufficient balance for this withdrawal. Let me check that out. Okay, I think I should make a deposit first. Let me make a deposit first before I do withdrawal. So click on deposit. Okay, I want to deposit through BEP20. I want to deposit $1,000. Click on confirm. Please follow deposit limit. Okay, deposit limit. Okay, I want to deposit $100. That is too much for that. $100. Can confirm. Okay, now I have to make payment to this particular address here. You can just scan that or just copy the address here. Put your transaction ID here. Payment proof. Put it here. Then just real quick. Let me submit an image. This image here. Can confirm. Okay, give it time to load. Now, see to your history, you can see your history pending. You can see it's actually pending here. So that's that for that. So okay, we can go back to test out other options, which is staking. Let's click on staking. Okay. All right. So click on staking here. You can see the okay. Let's do our staking. So click on buy profitable trade. Click on 7 days, 3% interest. We have a 1 day for 10% interest rate and 60 days for 10% interest rate. So minimum is $1. So I want to do this 60 days, 20% interest rate. So I'll set for my let me reload this page real quick. Reload this page. Click on here. Okay, I have available balance here. Okay, so I want to do this 60 days, 20% interest rate. Select my deposit wallet, enter amount. I want to take $1,000. So I'm going to get 20% after the 60 days. Click on active now. So my profits, you can see take investment added successfully. So you can see it's currently running. You can see my trade profit will be $200 after all this year. Okay. Now that's just that for that. So let's check on the perpetual. So you can click on 7 days interest, 1 day, go for 60 days to consider the forex and see the features and all that. So I'll click on deposit wallet and I'll click on say I want to put my amount of $1,000 here. Click on buy staking. Staking investment added successfully. So let's just that for that. So let's just wait for it to reload real quick. Okay, let's just that for that. So now let's test out our withdrawal. Let's go test out our withdrawal now. I think I have some funds on my account right now. So let's test out our withdrawal here. Put in the amount on the USD. I'll put $100 to draw $100. Gonna confirm. You don't have sufficient balance for withdrawal. Why don't I have? I have sufficient balance for withdrawal. Why is it telling me that? Okay, let me see. Okay, that's just that. Then we also have our assets. Click on assets here. You can see your total assets, which I have 0. Okay, that's why I was not able to withdraw. I was 0 here. My total deposit of $4,000, commission 0, total team, you can see 0 here. So you click on teams, you can actually see there's level 1, level 2, level 3. It's like a tree system of referral, which you in from your referral in from just referrals and all that. So, which is actually amazing. Yeah. So that's just that for that. And also we still have what else have we not done? Let's see. Okay, let me go back to the home page. Let's see what we have here. We have not done. So that's just that for that. We also still have this we call it current price of crypto, Binance and Bybit and all that here. We also have that here. We also see our total users, 24 hours turnovers, all that on this particular website. Then we also see have here, which is the kind of a support here, then image here. So basically this tells how the user side actually works. So the next I was talking about now is the admin side, where the admin can actually have full control over this particular website. So once you log into your admin, take you straight to this dashboard. So you can see, you can set up this Chrome, which will add your staking investment automatically. So you add your profit automatically to your balance. No need for you to start adding it manually. So when you log into your dashboard, your admin dashboard, to show you like this. See total users, active users, unverified users, start deposit, pending deposits, and all that here. You can see total investment, total interest, active investment, closed investment. You can see monthly deposits, all these bar charts and all that here, and pie charts, which is actually awesome on this particular website. So investment reports. Okay, next thing we'll talk about now is deposit. So we're going to explore through all these options here. And so there are a lot of options here you can explore through. So click on pending deposit. So first one is actually deposit. Click on pending deposit here. Okay. You can see the pending deposit. This was mine. Okay, this was mine. Click on details. Okay. You can see this was my payment proof. You can see my amount here, everything, transaction ID. If it's correct and you've received it, you can approve or you click on reject. So I will approve the transaction. I say yes. Once I approve partial transactions, balance will actually be created with that particular amount. So I'll go back here now. Let's see, let me okay, click on assets. Let's see where the balance is supposed to be. Okay, you can see here now, you can see the balance here, 4,300. It's about $4 million thereabouts. Okay, so that's just that for this particular session. You can see approved deposits. And so the approved deposit here, the successful deposit, you can see everything here. Then we also see have rejected deposit. There's no rejected deposit here. That's why you can actually see no data found, data not found. Initiated deposits, okay. You can see on the initiated deposit here. You can see all deposits here. So that's just that for that. So you can see successful deposits on $2,000, any deposit $100, rejected deposit 0, initiated deposit $4,000, and all that. Yeah. So that's just that for this deposit session. So let's go to the withdrawal. Withdrawal, you can see withdrawal method. You can see the withdrawal method, which is USD. You can choose to edit this particular method and add. You can see USD. 1 USD equals to 6. You can see the minimum amount, the maximum amount to withdraw is $200,000. Percentage 0, fixed charge 0. Then withdrawal instructions, you can see the label, which is USD, TRX20 address, the type is text, and all that. So that's just that for this particular one. can also see add a new payment, a new withdrawal method. You can put the withdrawal name, you can say Bitcoin, BTC, then put the currency name, the equivalent, the minimum amount, and all that, and all these instructions. Yeah, so that's just that for this session. You have the pending withdrawals. Here you can see all the pending withdrawals on this particular website. You can see all these withdrawal here. This was mine, which is 10 hours ago, and all that. So you just click on details. Okay, you can choose to approve this withdrawal. You can put a note to say transaction approved. You can submit. Give it time to load. Perfect. You can see withdrawal approved successfully. So that is just that on how this particular session works. Here you can see your approved withdrawals. This was the one I did just now. You can see approved 18 seconds ago. You can see rejected withdrawals, nothing here. All withdrawals, you can see everything here. So that's all that for that. So here you can see manage users. You can see all the active users on this website, the banned users, and all that. So these are the active users on this particular website. You can see all these users here. You can choose to view the details of this user. Click on that. Total deposits, initiated deposits, deposits, withdrawals, transactions, pending tickets, and all that. So you can see the first name, last name, email, phone number, then your address, the city, and all that. You can put 2FA on KYC for all this. You can choose to fund the user, put the amount here, fund in the user deposit or interest wallet, put in the remark and click on submit, or you can choose to deduct money from the account. I see my balance, you can just choose the initial interest wallet, put the remark here and click on submit. So the amount you put there will actually be deducted from the user account. You can choose to log in. You can see login histories of this particular user. You can see all the history. You can see that's all the IP address, the city, location, and all that. So that's all that for that. So let's see notifications, notification logs. Okay, you can see notification log for this particular user account. You can see withdrawal request, sent, and all that here. You can also log in as a user. You can log in this account. If you touch this account, it will automatically log in the user account. You can also see ban this user from this platform too. So you can see the banned users, the email of verified users, mobile unverified, KYC, user with balance, all users, and notification to all. So that's just that for that. So here you can see the support tickets, which is the pending support ticket, the close, the answer, all tickets on this particular website. You can see there's no record found now here. So that's just that for that. So this plans, you can see in plan management. Okay, let's click on time. Okay, which is day. So click on plan management. You can see the different plans on the website, the trade bot theory, ZAM, trade bot 2, trade bot 1. So you can just click on edit. Yeah, you can edit all these details here and choose whatever you want here. So just that for that. Yeah. You can see the manage stake, you can see plans, click on plans. Give it time to load. Yeah, you can see all the plans here. You can see 1 day it's enabled. You can choose to disable this or edit. I want to edit this. You can say for 5 days you can get 10% or 50%. I should choose how you want to do that. So that's all that for this particular session. You can see your stake interest. Okay, staking invest. Yeah, you can see all that here. You can see all the investment on this particular website too. So that's just that for that. So next one we'll talk about now is to manage the pool. You can see the plans. Okay, you can see the plans. Okay, there's nothing here. You can see plan pool. You can choose to add if you want. You can see all that here too. So manage referrals. Okay, this is this referral system. You can say commission. You can see invest commission. So if you are referral invest on this platform, you will gain commission. You can see it's actually enabled. You can see for which number of level. You can see for level 1, level 2, level 3, or as you choose. So deposit commission is actually disabled for now. You can choose to enable this. Give it time to load. You basic information changed successfully. So that is just that for this. You can see the user ranking. Okay, nothing here. I see promotional tools. Okay, so at the payment gateway, to automatic payment gateway, you can see we have a lot of payment gateway here, which are blockchain, Cash App, Coinbase, CoinGate, Flutterwave, which are a lot, so which are actually awesome. So you can choose some varieties of options on this particular website when making payments. You can see manual gateways. Okay, there are two manual gateways, Bet20 and USD. So I actually show you guys that when I was trying to make a deposit. So you can choose to add a new one. I can name this say Bitcoin BTC, then put in the currency, the amount, yes, the rate, so you can set it up and click on submit. So just all that for that. So after that, you can see the general settings. General settings here, you can edit the site name, the currency, the symbol, the site color, the time zone, the balance transfer fixed charge, transfer percentage charge. You can edit all these details here. Taking minimum 10, taking maximum 100,000. So after editing all the details here, you can just click on submit here. So that's that for that. So system configuration, you can see balance transfer is enabled, user registration enabled, registration bonus is disabled. You can enable this. So when user registers on this particular website, you actually get a bonus when they register. So promotional tool is actually enabled, withdrawal on holiday disabled, and all that here. So anyone you want to actually enable, you can just choose to enable that on this particular place here. So cron job settings, the cron job settings actually so users can receive their staking profit automatically without without you doing it manually for them. So that's that for this. I'll show you guys how you can set this up soon. So here you can see the logo on your favicon. So from here you can edit your logo for this website. You can just select the logo, the light logo, the dark logo, favicon. After editing, putting all that here, click on submit. So that is just basically how this admin site actually works. So you can explore other pages and see how every other thing works. So the next one we're talking about now is how you can actually install this for yourself or for your clients. So let's jump that. Let's start that real quick. All right, now once you have bought your domain name and hosting and you have logged into your cPanel, it's taking you straight to this dashboard. So if you don't know how you can get your domain name and hosting, just there'll be a number on this video description. Just message that number, then we'll show you guys how you can get your domain name and hosting too. So for this purpose, I'm going to upload it in a subdomain. You can also still upload your main domain because this is just a test purpose. So I'll just search for domains, click on domains. Okay, just search for that to load. I already created a domain already, so I'll just scroll down so I can check that out. So just go down real quick. Okay, this is mine, the one I created. This is subdomain, so you can upload yours in this main directory here if you choose to upload that there. So just click on here. It's follow the same process here. What I'm actually doing here is actually the same process what you're going to be doing too. So once you create it, it will be blank like this, not to be inside. You just have to do is to click on upload, click on select file. Okay, let's wait for it to load. All right, so look for that particular file, which is this. Okay, just have to wait for it to finish uploading. You can see once it's finished uploading with a blue color, it has not finished uploading. You have to wait for it to show a green color first before you can actually cancel it. So let's just give it time to upload. All right, you can see it has finished uploading. You can see the green color here. What you have to do is just to cancel this, reload the page, and you can see this file here. Right click here, click on extract and extract files. You actually have to wait for it to finish extracting before we can actually proceed to any other thing we want to do. You can see that here it has finished extracting. Click on close, and you see delete this particular zip file. Delete, don't need it anymore. Delete it. Then open our installation guide. Edit. What the first thing to do? The first thing to do is to security disclaimer, change default admin password immediately and monitor wallet activities regularly. We're not responsible for any breach due to unaltered settings or infrequent checks. Alright, so upload your file, I've done that. Download and extract the zip file. Okay, in the subdomain, I've done that. Run your site error in your browser, follow the installation prompt. Alright, so let me just go back here So after I've done this like this, your files like this, go to your browser. Okay, load your site. So let me just load my site and see. Say follow the prompt there. Let me just load it. Sorry, let me reload this real quick. Let me reload this. I can see that. Okay, see your composer. Okay, 8.1 version should be 8.1. Okay, so just go back here. Search for PHP multi PHP manager. This one here. Click on this. Then what we have to do is just to set it as zip. Okay, this is it. This is my subdomain. Your main domain should be the first one. So 8.1. Click on apply. Then okay, just reload this real quick. Reload. All right, let's see. Okay, the 9, so we have to actually have to put slash install, put slash install, install slash install. Okay, now we just have to follow this step here. I agree. Next step, security check pass. Next step. Okay, now I have to create our database name, database user, host. Okay, now let's go back here, search for PHP. Okay, sorry, DB wizard, this particular one here. Click on that. Then since this is a staking website, I can just say staking sta web. Copy that. Next step, paste that here too. I like using the same name for everything, my username, password, and everything. Like I'm very easy for me to set up. So just click on create user. Don't update this. Allow privileges. Click on make changes, and you can see that here. Just have to copy this particular name here. Go back here to our website. Okay, go back to our website. Database name, paste that there. Username, paste that there. Password, paste that there. Your DB host should be local host. Put that there, local host. Your admin credentials, you can put your admin name, username, you can put whatever you want, admin. Then password, put my password here. My email should be this. Then after that, click on install now. Can see your system has been installed successfully. What you have to do now is just to go back to your website. Just click on go web to website and activate. So you can see the website has finished installing. You can see it's very, very easy to set up, and in less than 10 minutes, you can actually set it up for your clients and for yourself. So that's basically what we have for you in this particular video. So see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.